Hello everyone, myself Abhinayashri, and here we are going to conduct the quiz session on design and analysis of algorithm. And we have an in charge of Dr. D. Rajalakshmi ma'am. And here, next slide. And here the rules are 10 questions of easy and medium and difficult levels. Every question get a clock of 10 seconds for answering. Each question got 4 options. By using the AHA slide web page, you can answer these questions and we will be announcing top 3 students at the end, and you'll get this link in the description. So questions are openly challenged. Let's start it. And we have an organizer of Abhinayashri and Dashni.
Thank you, Abhi. Moving on to the first question. Select the correct recurrence relations of the Tower of Hanoi. Okay, the answer is option A, T of n is equal to 2t n minus 1 plus 1. Moving on to the next question. Dynamic programming is used to find. The options are: one solution is generated, all optimal solution is generated, no optimal solution is generated, solution is generated, all optimal solution is generated, no, all the above. And the answer is option B, all optimal solution is generated. Next question. Fractional knapsack problem is solved most efficiently by which of the following algorithms? Option A, backtracking. Option B, divide and conquer. Option C, greedy algorithm. And option D, dynamic programming. And the answer is option C, greedy algorithm. Next question. How do you determine the cost of the spanning tree? By the sum of cost of the edges, by the sum of cost of the edges and the vertices, by the cost of sum of vertices. And the answer is option A, by the sum of cost of the edges of the tree. Next question. Which of the following is not among the steps of convex hull problem? Sorting the points by x coordinate, dividing the points into 2 halves, finding the convex hulls for the sets, measuring the length of the convex hull. And the answer is option D, measuring the length of the convex hull. Next question. What is the simplest method to prove the graph is bipartite? It has a cycle of an odd length. Option A, both odd and even cycles are formed. It does not have cycles of an odd length. It does not have a cycle of even length. And the answer is option C, it does not have a cycle of odd length. Moving on to the next question. In Huffman's coding, data in the tree always occurs in option A, roots, B, leaves, left subtrees, and D, right subtrees. And the answer is option B, leaves. Next question. Identify the slowest sorting technique among the following. Option A, merge sort, B, quick sort, C, bubble sort, and D, selection sort. And the answer is option C, bubble sort. Next question. What should we consider when designing an algorithm? Option A, if the software is correctly used, if the hardware is correctly used, if there is more than one way to solve the problem, all of the above are correct. And the answer is option C, if there is more than one way to solve the problem. Moving on to the last question. In dynamic program, one decision sequence is generated, 5 decision sequences generated, many decision sequences generated, all of the above. And the answer is Option A, one decision sequence is generated. Over to Avi.
So here we can see, we have been seeing that a very interesting quiz session are conducted, and this is very useful app for everyone to learn easily. Uh, Thank you. So on continuing this quiz session, we have a top three students. So first is Deepika, and second is Hoshreya, and third will be the Lakshmi Priya. And congratulations for those three peoples, and thank you.